Hey guys, Casey in the kitchen. I'm gonna show you some super fast, easy summer recipes to not heat up your house. So today I am putting together for our dinner a summer pasta salad. It's kind of an Italian flair to it. And then I also have this beautiful charcuterie board here. And yep, I have that in the new rectangle cool and serve. So this is a brand new piece we just came out with on June 1st. And it has those cooling inserts in the bottom here. Let me show you. I've done several icebox cakes in here. I've served meats and cheeses. It has the lid. You can just pop that on and take it wherever you go. But this part comes out, this insert here, and these guys go in the freezer to keep everything super cold. So you can take this places and not have to worry that it's getting too warm if you're outside, or even if you're just in a house and you don't want to worry about putting food away right away. This is a great addition. So that's the new rectangle cool and serve. Put that back together. So that's a beautiful little charcuterie board, and charcuterie boards are just about different flavors, textures, colors, adding them all together until you get something fun. Be creative with it. So that's one thing we're gonna have with our dinner. And then the other one, I am using our 2.5 quart cool and serve bowl. Again, this little insert comes out, and there's a piece that goes in the freezer. I just keep those in the freezer all the time, so I don't have to try to remember when I'm gonna use it the next day or sometime that week. And then of course it has a lid as well. So this pasta salad, all I did is throw my pasta in the quick cooker. I did a pound of pasta. I'm using half of it for this and half of it for another recipe. You can do whatever kind of pasta you want. I did a pound of pasta with 4 cups of broth or water. In the quick cooker, takes 5 minutes to cook, super fast and easy. Meanwhile, in my stainless steel skillet, I went ahead and I seared some broccoli. Now you can steam broccoli, but sometimes it doesn't hold up really well when you go to use it like in a pasta salad like this. So I cooked those 2 earlier today, threw them in the fridge, cooled them down, and now I'm gonna add the rest of what goes in my pasta salad. So I'm gonna start off using our quick slice here, and I have some cucumbers that I am just going to put on here. You wanna line them up. You can do this actually 2 ways. You can start it on a cutting board. It's sometimes a little bit easier until you get used to it. Otherwise you're trying to push down and you're not sure if you're lined up right. So all I'm gonna do is slice that. There's our sliced cucumbers. Now from here, I might go ahead, I like mine just a little bit smaller. So what I might do is go ahead and cut these then in half. And then we're gonna throw that in there. And I'll do the same thing with the other cucumber. Also, I'm gonna add in some salami. You can add whatever you want, or maybe you just want to do something like some cannellini beans. That would be really good in here too. Like I said, this is a little bit of an Italian flavor, so I thought the salami would go really well with it. So we've got the salami in there. Then we are gonna take our tomatoes here, and I have some grape tomatoes, and I could slice them in the quick slice, but I also wanna show you guys the close and cut. So all I'm gonna do is lay my knife right here on the edge, close this, slice it to the back, and everything is going to be cut in half, and it's super safe and easy to use. You could also add in some olives into this pasta salad if you wanted. I have olives in our charcuterie board, so I don't necessarily have to add those. And some kind of cheese. You can do some mozzarella cheese. I have a fresh mozzarella ball here, and I'm just gonna start slicing it on here, and then I'm gonna turn it, slice one more time, and then I have all these smaller pieces of mozzarella ready to go in my salad. Now last thing, I'm gonna add in some basil pesto. This is a ton of flavor. So you really don't need to season your broccoli much when you're cooking that. And you kind of just decide how much you want to add in there, how flavorful you like it. And then we're just gonna give that a toss, mix it all together, and dinner is served. So there's a summer pasta salad. It's got all the things you need, keeps your house nice and cool. And then of course we have our charcuterie board in the rectangle cool and serve, and then the 2.5 quart cool and serve bowl as well. All right guys, see ya.